Welcome to another sweet episode of Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen. Today we're making a cozy dessert perfect for any season, the Classic Apple Tart. With caramelized apples and flaky golden pastry, this recipe is as simple as it is delicious. Get ready for an irresistible aroma to fill your kitchen. Apple tart. 2 rolls of puff pastry, 6 apples, 6 tablespoons of sugar, powdered cinnamon to taste, 1 cinnamon stick. Peel and dice the apples into small cubes. In a small pot, combine apples, sugar, powdered cinnamon, and cinnamon stick. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Lay out 1 roll of puff pastry in a tart pan. Trim the edges using your hands. Remove the cinnamon stick and add the cooked apples onto the pastry. Cover with the second roll of puff pastry. Poke the top with a fork to prevent puffing. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes until golden. Serve warm or cold, ideally with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And that's how we made this wonderful apple tart. A quick, flavorful recipe perfect for sharing with family or friends. I hope you enjoyed this sweet traditional treat with a modern twist. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment on what you'd love to see next. See you soon. Faça e coma!